Hey guys, and welcome in our studio for a new tip for clickprop backdrops. Now, one of the most beautiful things in photography is of course building with a story. So set building. But set building can be incredibly expensive, take up a lot of time, and of course, well, takes up a lot of space. Not with clickprop backdrops. On the backdrop we have vinyl, and then on the side we have a pro fabric. Now you can't use a normal background system in our situation because then the legs will be in the picture. So we actually use clamps and a holder on the wall, and on the other side we just clamp it together. On the floor we have a floor part and, well, a nice little piece of wood to finish it off. Almost looks real, right? Let's wait for the real backdrops to come in, and then we're gonna build a little bit like a horror set. I can't wait, because building sets and working with sets, that's the most exciting part of photography. That's storytelling. And with clickprop backdrops, you build a set in seconds. Okay, minutes, but it goes really, really fast. And you can change everything around it. Very enthusiastic about it. So, thank you so very much for watching. That was the tip for today, building a set with clickprop backdrops. Thank you, and see you again next time. Bye guys.